viewers, I'm Hope David. You're welcome to Wetin You Fit Do on our FCE YouTube channel. With me here is Mrs. Asebebaria Shimkut. She's going to teach us on how to make fried fries, and trust me, it's going to be so delicious. Stay tuned and enjoy.
Okay, welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to prepare fried fries as I tell you. I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients we need. As I said earlier, we make your fried fries. We are going to be in need of spring onions, the seasoning, the salt, dry pepper, and baking powder with your water. So I will start. I'm picking 4 teaspoons into already 10 major cups of flour. 1, 4. Then I will need a pinch of salt, just to give it a salty taste. After which I will also add my dry pepper, seasoning to taste. After that, you do a little mixing to make sure that all the ingredients have gone round. Then you bring your spring onions, add it inside the flour, then add a little amount of water. It's not going to be too watery and it's not going to be too hard. The thickness is enough. The dough is done, is ready. I'm going to cover it and allow it to stay for like 5 to 15 minutes. Fried rice is usually taken with as vegetable sauce. And already I've made my tomatoes, pepper, onion paste in a bowl. It's already in the pot. So I'm going to take it and put it on the gas. There are a few things I'm going to add. The green peas, green pepper, carrots here. My seasoning here for the sauce. I've already made my assorted meat here, cut and chopped, ready for the sauce. Okay viewers, this is my tomatoes, pepper and onions paste. Already I've added groundnut oil, just a small quantity to it. I'm going to add my seasoning into it, then add my mixed meat and allow it to boil for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add my carrots, green pepper and the green peas. This is because it is vegetable and you are allowed, it's not allowed to stay for a long time in the fire. When you add your mixed meat, turn it and make sure that everything is soaked well inside the paste. Wow, this is very sweet and delicious. Allow it to boil again for another 2 to 3 minutes. Apply your green pea, which is very hard. That's why I'm applying it first before the carrot. I'm not going to apply it the same time with the carrot because the green pea is very hard. So here we go. Turn it. You see it's giving it already a greenish color and looking very attractive. Wow, I can't wait for this food to be ready. Apply my carrot inside the sauce. Allow it to just steam. After 10 to 15 minutes, your dough is ready for kneading. Now I'm going to pick the frying pan with the oil inside it, put it on the gas. While it's getting hot, I will be kneading my dough. You pick a small quantity of the dough. Apply oil so that you can be able to knead it very well. Get your rolling stick. Knead. This one is okay. My sauce is well steamed, ready to serve. Our oil is hot. We are going to put our fried rice inside the hot oil. Okay, my fried rice is ready for consumption. I'm going to fetch my sauce and serve the food with it.
Wow, this is so delicious.
Thank you, Miss Asebebaria Shimkut, for teaching us how to make fried fries.
You're welcome.
Thank you viewers for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment to get more updates on our next video.